The sum of consecutive integers from 1 to n. In this problem, we are going to find the sum of this series, and it's going to start from 1, and it's going to go to 117. So we know there are going to be 117 terms, and we need to add them all up. So the first step is to identify the first term, the last term, and the number of integers. So first term is 1, the last term is 117, and the number of integers is 117. Then we are going to substitute that into a formula that will calculate the sum of the series. So that formula is n over 2, and n represents the number of terms, and then multiplied by the first and last term added together. So we got 117 divided by 2 times 1 plus 117. And when we evaluate that, we're going to get the result of 6,903. And that completes our problem.